Hi, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de, and right here I have the UMID mbook BZ, and I think it's one of the world's smallest PCs. It was shown at the CES 2010 in Las Vegas. Here's a link to my video, and yeah, it's available at dynamism.com or the German version de.dynamism.com. And at the back of the box you can see the specification. As you can see, it's very light with 386 grams. The display is a 4.8 inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels. There's also Windows XP on it, and you will learn about the other specifications in my videos. But first of all, unboxing. So here it is, the UMID BZ. Very small and very light, as you can see, but we will have a closer look later. First of all, we unbox everything. So here are some flyers. For example, the pod player flyer. I think it's a front end for the UMID, or this flyer, but it's in Korean, so I cannot read it. And of course, one quick note, quick starter guide. And here we have the Windows XP Home Edition. So it's a recovery CD. And down here is the accessory box with all the accessories. So let me have a closer look what's inside there. Okay. So first of all, here's a little bag. So it's a protection bag for your BZ. On the front you have a little place for your accessories like USB sticks, etc. And here you can put your UMID. So let's get it in. Yeah, open it up first. So it's a quite good transportation bag. It's good protected, and yeah, it looks cool. And what do we have here? This is the AC adapter. And yeah, there's nothing. Where is it? Yeah, it's here. So here it is. It's the US version. So let me figure it out how to plug it in. Little bit difficult. Okay. So press. So here is the AC adapter. And what's that? That's the VGA adapter. So I think Dynamism has a little special right now. When you order the UMID, you will get one of these free. But hurry up. I think it's limited. Here's the headset. It's a in-ear headset. Of course with the UMID logo. There. And what's that? That's a little strap. So you can put it in your on your UMID. And here's a little stylus. It looks a little bit weird, but you can use it as a stylus. And yeah, last but not least, there's the battery. Of course, it's a small battery, and it has a capacity of what is it? It's a capacity of 2600 milliampere hours. So I think we will get some hours of battery life with this. You just plug it in, and there you go. It's still very light and small. So that was everything. Nothing left in the box. Yeah, no secret and hidden things here. So now we have a closer look at the UMID mbook BZ. So as you can see, it's a non-glossy display cover, which is very nice. So it's not a fingerprint magnet. It's a good build quality. I like it. I think the UMID M1 was not that good, but this version is very good. So nothing on the left side, because all the ports are on the right side. So first of all, we have the VGA out, and here we need the VGA adapter. Just plug it in, and now we have a VGA out for your LCD or your beamer or projector. And here we have the port for the headset. So it's for every standard headset. That's cool. And what's here? It's the USB port. So where's my USB accessories, like this mouse? Just plug it in and you can use every accessory you have. For example, 3G USB sticks, everything. And here's the DC in. You can, for your AC adapter here. And here's the place for your strap with the stylus. So let's open it up. Here it is, the 4.8-inch touchscreen monitor. And as you can see, it's thin. That's the maximum of the display. There you can go with thumb typing. Very easy. It's easy to access all the keys. And here's the keyboard. As you can see, with many blue keys. Because it's so small, you have to use the keys with the FN button. And as you can see, very nice with thumb typing. On the upper right side you will find the webcam, and here's the optical mouse. And here we have the mouse buttons and the speaker. So there are many ways to use it, like this, where you type your text and you can hold it like this when you have to use the mouse. Or you hold it with one hand, type with the other, and use the touch screen with the other one. so very versatile. And here's the button for the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. Here's the button for the, it's the power button. And here's a touch sensitive bar. You can adjust the volume, for example, with this one. And yeah, there's something on the front also. It's the status LEDs here. And right here you can find a built-in microphone. And under this latch you will find the micro SD card reader. So this was my unboxing and hands-on video of the new UMID mbook BZ UMPC. So make sure to check NewGadgets.de for further reviews. I will take this one to Barcelona to the Mobile World Congress to see if this device is good for the mobile usage. So subscribe my YouTube channel for more reviews of this UMPC.